Hola amigos, welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every Friday. Today we'll be learning how to conjugate the verb to have in Spanish. To have in Spanish is tener. But before that, and by the way, I'd like to extend you a warm invitation to subscribe to my 3 channels: Learn English World, Learn Spanish World, and Que Rico Recipes. If you visit Learn Spanish World, you'll find more than 250 Spanish lessons. You can also find English lessons in my channel Learn English World, so go and check it out. And if you enjoy delicious, quick, easy to make meals, visit Que Rico Recipes. Subscribe. You will enjoy the videos that I upload on a regular basis. Let's continue growing together. Nos vemos, my dear amigos. Okay, this is one of the most important verbs in the Spanish language. So, you'll do really well learning it and memorizing it if your goal is to learn Spanish properly. The present tense of tener is yo tengo, tú tienes, usted, él, ella tiene, nosotros, nosotras tenemos, vosotros, vosotras tenéis, ustedes, ellos, ellas tienen. Now, I know I said that very quickly, so we're going to stop and memorize one at a time. So first of all, we learn to say I have. Yo tengo. Yo tengo. Yo tengo chocolate. I have chocolate. Yo tengo. I have. Yo tengo. Repeat after me. That will help you memorize the pronunciation. You have. Tú tienes. Tú tienes dinero. You have money. Tú tienes dinero. Tú tienes. Make sure you pronounce the T softly. You formal. He, she. Usted, él, ella tiene. Él tiene un auto. He's got a car. Ella tiene una guitarra. She's got a guitar. Siguiente. We have. Masculine. Nosotros tenemos. We have. We, feminine. Nosotras tenemos. Nosotros tenemos o nosotras tenemos. Siguiente, this one is only used in Spain. Vosotros tenéis. You all have. If you're talking to a group of females, you would say vosotras tenéis. Muy bien. Let's move on to the next one. You all, they, feminine and masculine. You all have. This is international in Spanish and is used in most countries. Ellos tienen. They have. Ellas tienen. They have a feminine. Ustedes tienen. You all have. Excelente amigos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give me a like and subscribe. I'm working on a new series. I'll be uploading a completely new format of videos. So subscribe and get ready because the surprise is coming this week. Have a lovely day and I'll see you soon. Adios. Suscríbete.